A member of the Education Committee came to us with a proposal from the Archaeology Society at the university. They had an idea for an interactive archaeology dig for children K through 6th. And immediately that caught our attention because it was interactive and the kids could actively get involved. And archaeology was an aspect that we really had no exhibits focusing on.
Public education for me and making other people see how awesome archaeology is a core of how I want to be an archaeologist, and then that's also how we have installed in our Archaeology Student Society group a public outreach component, because I think it's an ethical thing for us to actually give back to the community and promote what we are doing.
Then started thinking about how we really wanted it to look, and so that's where the idea of the shed came about, of really discussing archaeology as a process and not just as excavation, because you know, if you've been working in the field long enough, you know that excavation is just sort of the tip of the iceberg. We started getting together sketches and ideas and thinking about what the process looks like from start to finish. And that's how we came up with the shed and the dig box and how they tie together.
Pictures inside actually highlight that process, and they show women in archaeology, women of color in archaeology, and the whole point is where we want kids to walk in there and see themselves being in archaeology. We want to see a picture that would reflect them, so that we are trying to really be inclusive and show the diversity of archaeology.
Any exhibit that educates children is a great resource to any museum. We would not be a museum without exhibits. Unfortunately, many exhibits are very costly, and with us being a not-for-profit organization, it's not always possible to bring in very expensive exhibits with the budget that we have. So anytime we have a group that's interested in the education of children and giving us donations, either monetary or in kind, we're very grateful for those, and it's very helpful to the museum.